Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We're going to show you how to create a Slow DNS server and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for fast and secure browsing. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you're interested in more VPN tricks and hidden tips, make sure to check out our blog linked below. Now let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and in the search bar type UDP Custom and hit enter. From the search results, locate the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our Slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, you'll see a menu button, usually in the top corner. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down options, select Slow DNS Server. This will take you to the server location selection page. Now, choose your preferred server location based on your needs. After selecting, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter a username of your choice and complete the CAPTCHA. Once that's done, click on Create Now. In just a few seconds, your server details will appear on the screen. Make sure to take note of them or copy them, as we'll need this information in the next steps. Alright, now that we have our Slow DNS server ready, it's time to set things up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. If you haven't already installed it, head over to the Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel VPN, and download the latest version. Once the app is installed, open it and you'll land on the home screen. Now, tap the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu list. From the menu, select Tunnel Type. A new window will pop up. Here, choose SSH through DNSTT. This will open a small window back on the home page. Now, let's return to the server details we generated earlier. Copy your username and password from the Slow DNS server we created and paste them into the appropriate fields. For the UDP DNS field, paste Google DNS 8.88-53 in the format provided. Next, copy and paste the server name and public key into the required fields. Make sure everything matches the correct format provided by the UDP Custom website. Once all the details are entered, click the Connect button. Your VPN should connect within moments, giving you fast and secure browsing. And that's it. You're all set up with your Slow DNS server on Dark Tunnel VPN for a secure, fast browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.